welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, August 27th, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Just need this coffee to wake up. Busy day ahead.
Same here. Got a big meeting later.
Oh, meetings. Always fun. Hey, did you hear about the new tariffs thing with President Trump?
Yeah, I saw something about it. What's the deal?
Well, they say he signed a big tariffs plan. It's gonna shake up the global economy big time.
That sounds serious. Could it affect our sales?
For sure, especially for us in sales. If stuff gets more expensive, clients might cut back.
True. We'll need to watch the numbers. It's a big change for trade.
Yeah, I just hope it doesn't mess up my targets. I'm already running around like crazy.
I get it. Let's see how it plays out.
Hey, I was telling a client about this yesterday. They got worried right away.
Really? What did they say?
They're afraid prices will jump soon. Might hold off on big orders.
That's not good. We might need a backup plan.
Yeah, I'm thinking of offering some discounts. Gotta keep them happy somehow.
Smart move. It's all about keeping the trust.
Exactly. Gotta stay ahead of the game. Fingers crossed it works.
I'm sure you'll figure it out. You always do.
Thanks for the vote of confidence. I'll need all the luck I can get.
You've got this. Just keep pushing.
Will do. Hey, speaking of crazy stuff, did you see the news about SpaceX?
No, what's up with them?
They're doing another test flight for that huge Starship rocket. Like test number 10 or something.
Wow, that's cool. Are they launching soon?
Yeah, they tried yesterday but had to stop. Now they're trying again today.
That's exciting. Space tech is moving so fast.
Totally. Imagine if we had a rocket to skip traffic. I'd be at work in 5 minutes.
That would be nice. But really, this could change how we think about travel.
For sure. But I bet the tickets won't be cheap. Not for us regular folks.
Probably not. Still, it's amazing to see.
Yeah, I was reading about it during lunch. They want to reuse the rocket over and over.
That's smart. It could save a lot of money.
Right, but it's risky too. If it fails, it's a big loss.
True. Every test is a big step. They learn something new each time.
I guess so. Still, I wouldn't want to be the guy pressing the launch button.
Me neither. Too much pressure.
Exactly. I've got enough stress with sales calls. No need for rocket stress.
Fair point. Stick to what you know.
Yep, coffee and clients, that's my zone. Speaking of stress, did you hear about that bus crash up in New York?
Oh no, what happened?
Some tour bus driver got distracted, lost control, and crashed. 5 people didn't make it.
That's awful. Were there many hurt?
Yeah, dozens got injured. It's so sad to hear.
It really is. Makes you think about safety on the road.
Exactly. I mean, one mistake and it's over. Gotta be careful out there.
So true. I hope the families are okay.
Yeah, me too. Man, the world feels heavy sometimes.
It does. But hey, we've got our coffee to keep us going.
Haha, true. This coffee is my hero. Saves me every morning.
Same here. I don't know what I'd do without it.
I'd probably fall asleep at my desk. My boss would not be happy.
Yeah, better keep that coffee close. It's our secret weapon.
Totally. Best thing in the office. Hey, by the way, got any big plans for later?
Just finishing some project reports? What about you?
Gotta call a few clients. Trying to close a deal before the week ends.
Good luck with that. I know sales can be tough.
Thanks, I'll need it. Some clients are hard to convince.
I bet. Just keep smiling, it works.
Yeah, fake it till you make it. That's my motto.
Nice one. I might use that too.
Feel free, it's free advice. Hey, did you finish that big project yet?
Almost, just tying up loose ends. It's been a long one.
I bet you're tired. You look like you need 2 coffees today.
Aha, maybe I do. It's been nonstop.
Hang in there. You're doing great from what I hear.
Thanks, David. I appreciate that.
No problem. Hey, about those tariffs, do you think prices will go up soon?
Probably, especially for imported stuff. It might hit our budget.
Just what we need, more costs? My boss will flip?
Yeah. We might need to adjust plans. I'll bring it up in the meeting.
Good idea. Keep me posted, okay?
Will do. We're all in this together.
For sure. I might need to sweet talk some suppliers too.
That's a good plan. Every little bit helps.
Yeah, gotta keep the wheels turning. Can't let this slow us down.
Exactly. We'll find a way.
Oh, and that SpaceX thing. Imagine if they send people to Mars soon.
That would be wild. A whole new world to explore.
Yeah, but I'm not signing up. Too far from my coffee machine.
Huh, fair enough. I'd miss my desk too.
Totally. I like my feet on the ground. Space is cool, but not for me.
I get it. It's fun to watch from here.
Yep. I'll stick to cheering from my computer screen, much safer.
Good call. No risks there.
None at all. Hey, about that bus crash? Makes me want to double check my car.
Same here. Safety first, always.
Yep. Can't be too careful. I might even take the bus less now.
I don't blame you. It's a wake-up call.
For real, gotta stay alert. Life's too short for mistakes.
So true. Let's just keep safe.
Agreed. Hey, I better get back to my desk now.
Me too. Catch up later?
For sure. See you around. Have a good day.
You too, David. Take it easy.
We'll try, but no promises. Later.
Later?
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.